Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best tortilla warmers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Nordic Ware Microwave Tortilla and Pancake Warmer. The workhorse of many Mexican restaurants, plastic tortilla warmers remain affordable, easy-to-use options for dinner at home. Made from durable, BPA-free, and melamine-free polypropylene, this one can comfortably hold 12 to 14 standard tortillas. It's meant for heating tortillas in the microwave only, though, and should not be placed in the oven. It can be cleaned in the dishwasher on the top shelf, but because of the resin-like plastic, it may only require a quick wipe with a damp towel. A quick 30 to 45 seconds in the microwave yields tortillas that will hold heat for up to 20 minutes. Perhaps the biggest advantage it offers is the small hole in the cover to ventilate steam, keeping tortillas from getting soggy. With its attractive Sunburst design, this kitchen accessory makes an efficient and inexpensive option for any dinner table. Dimensions: 10.5 into 3.9 inches, material: plastic, microwave safe, yes. What we like: easy to clean in the dishwasher. Very lightweight. Very affordable. What we don't like: loses heat fast. Number 2. Our second best pick is IMUSA 12-inch Sunburst Cloth Tortilla Warmer. Cloth is a preferred material for many cooks, both amateur and professional. This warmer comes in 2 sizes, 10 and 12 inches, and multiple designs, keeping up to 12 tortillas warm for over an hour without them getting soggy. Heat your tortillas as usual and then throw them inside the polyester pouch to maintain heat, or take them directly from a store-bought package, stack them in the warmer, and microwave anywhere from 15 seconds to a minute, depending on how many tortillas are inside. Even if you've never used a tool like this before, it's hard to go wrong with the directions printed on the back. Compared to other warmers, it's lightweight and easy to store, even on your wall, as a bright addition to your kitchen. Use it for pitas, wraps, arepas, pancakes, biscuits, and more. The 2-sided food-grade plastic insulation will maintain temperature and keep contents soft. Just steer clear of fried and oily foods or you're bound for stains. Hand washing is recommended, although you may machine wash gently. Turning inside out is advised to protect the longevity of the fabric, and air drying is a must. This product is not oven safe. Sizes: 10 inches, 12 inches, material: polyester, plastic, microwave safe, yes. What we like: very affordable. Keep a dozen tortillas warm for over an hour. Festive design. What we don't like: hand washing recommended. Number 3. Our third best pick is Norpro Tortilla and Pancake Keeper. If you have a big, hungry family, the Norpro Tortilla and Pancake Keeper is the solution. At almost 10 into 10 inches, it can accommodate up to 30 standard tortillas. The plastic construction is one of the thickest, sturdiest materials of any warmer on this list, is microwave safe, and can be washed in the dishwasher on the top shelf. It is not meant for oven use. With such a cavernous interior, heat should dissipate quickly, but your tortillas will remain warm for up to 30 minutes thanks to top-tier insulation. That said, condensation can be an issue. This is often easily fixed by wrapping your tortillas in wax paper before heating. As a bonus, this warmer makes the perfect vehicle for keeping flatbreads, chapatis, pancakes, or even beans and rice, but it is also large enough to hold pasta, veggies, or even cold dishes, like potato salad. Dimensions: 9.75 into 4.75 inches, material: plastic, microwave safe, yes. What we like: large enough to be used for side dishes. Tight-fitting lid keeps heat in. Durable. What we don't like: tight-fitting lid causes condensation and soggy tortillas. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is RSVP International Stoneware Tortilla Warmer. When choosing a tortilla warmer, you may wonder what the difference is between ceramic and stoneware. Stoneware is a type of ceramic that has a thick, porous exterior that's more durable than other ceramic materials. The RSVP Stoneware Tortilla Warmer is a heavy-duty choice for taco enthusiasts and cooks in general, as it can be used for other dishes, like baked brie. The food-safe, glazed, and lead-free stoneware can be used in the microwave or oven up to 350 degrees. Due to the high firing temperature of stoneware, it holds heat much longer than other options, in this case, up to an hour. For family dinners, this one has the capacity for up to 28-inch tortillas. Placing a damp paper towel under the lid when finished heating will distribute some moisture to counterbalance the dry heat stoneware typically produces. It's safe for use in the dishwasher, though it's wise to hand wash because the material is so porous and weighty. Dimensions: 8.5 into 3 inches, 10 into 3 inches, material: glazed stone, microwave safe, yes. What we like: oven safe to 350 degrees. Comes in 2 sizes. Holds up to 20 tortillas. What we don't like: hand wash only. Heavy. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Threads West Handwoven Tortilla Basket. These beautiful tortilla baskets come from southern Mexico, where they're hand-woven from palm straw and each color scheme is unique. Get them in a 2-pack of 7 and 8-inch baskets with the capacity to hold 8 to 12 standard tortillas. They're meant more for a serving platter rather than a heating or reheating option, so don't put them in the oven or microwave. Since these are traditional baskets, there is no insulation. Using a dish towel to line the basket will aid in maintaining temperature, but it's still not the most efficient option for keeping tortillas warm. Washing should be avoided, too. As far as cleaning goes, quickly wipe with a damp sponge or cloth to preserve the integrity. Each basket is unique and lends an authentic feel to family taco night. Dimensions: 4.5 into 7 inches, 5 into 8 inches, material: palm straw, microwave safe, no. What we like: 2 sizes available. Each basket is unique. Handmade by Mexican artisans. What we don't like: no insulation. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.